Tomorrow is the big game. Coach said I may start. I need to play well. Nothing looks good. Oh, I forgot about this. It still looks fine. Harry, why are you awake?
I need energy for tomorrow.
At almost midnight?
Is that sandwich from dinner?
I think so.
It has been there for hours.
It smells normal. That doesn't mean it's good. It has chicken, cheese, everything. That is exactly what worries me. Harry, I told you not to eat that. Tomorrow, I need to be fast. You need sleep more than sandwiches. I need both. Perfect. Now I am ready. Tomorrow, I'll be stronger than everyone. That sandwich cannot make you stronger overnight.
We'll see.
I hope your stomach agrees. Oh, my stomach hurts. No, not today. Please stop. Just for the game. I am playing that game. Harry, you're sweating. Isa, don't start.
They're already warming up.
You look worse than before.
Once I start running, I'll wake up.
That makes no sense. Harry, stop pretending.
I waited all week for this.
There will be other games. Not this game.
Have a good game, son.
Thanks, Dad. You can still tell them
Tell them what?
that you feel sick.
I am not missing this game.
I'll feel better after warm-up.
Harry, pick up the pace. Harry, come here. Are you feeling all right?
Yes, I'm fine. I'm just nervous.
Do you need to sit out?
No,
This game is not worth getting hurt.
I'm okay. I can play.
Harry, I need an honest answer.
I'm okay. I promise.
Tell me immediately if you feel worse.
I will. Mom, something is wrong.
What do you mean?
He wasn't telling the truth.
How long have you known?
Since he woke up.
Why didn't you tell us?
I thought he would finally tell you.
Harry?
Stop the game. Give him space.
I can rest for 5 minutes.
No, Harry. You're done today.
But the game?
The game is over for you today. All right, the physical exam looks good. Now, tell me a little bit about what brought you in today. Harry, when did you feel sick?
When I woke up.
Did you vomit or have diarrhea?
Yes. Before breakfast. Twice.
Did you feel dizzy too?
Yes, when I stood up. You never told us that.
What did you eat last night?
A sandwich.
What sandwich?
The one on the kitchen counter.
Harry, that sandwich was old. It looked fine. I was gonna throw it away.
Food can be unsafe even when it looks normal.
Did that make me sick?
It may have caused a foodborne illness.
What does that mean?
Food can become contaminated with harmful germs. That can cause stomach pain, vomiting, and diarrhea.
So the sandwich probably made me sick?
It is a strong possibility. You also lost fluids and became weak. That could explain why he fainted? Yes. He needs rest and floosts now.
Your uniform is still clean.
Very funny.
You didn't even touch the ball.
You knew you were sick this morning.
Yes.
Why didn't you tell us?
I didn't want to miss the game. So you hid how bad you felt.
I thought I could handle it.
You were already vomiting. I thought it would stop.
You were trying to protect one game,
Yes.
and you missed the game anyway.
I made it much worse.
You also scared everyone.
I'm sorry, Isa.
Next time, tell somebody.
Next time, I will.
Before you fall on a soccer field. Good. I don't want that job again.
What job?
Being the only person who knows you're lying.
Fair enough.
Feeling hungry? A little.
10 minutes.
Good. I'm checking now.
Feeling better this time?
Yes, coach. Really this time.
Any stomach pain?
None.
Any dizziness?
None.
Then welcome back.
All right, Harry, ready? Watch the ball come to your foot.
This time, I'm actually ready. And no old sandwiches.
I heard that.
Mom said the bus is late. Harry! The bus is here! You lied to me!
Coach canceled practice today. He told me this morning. Then I'll go home early.
You lied to Leo.
Relax. It's not serious.
You should see your faces. Got you, Grandpa.
Harry, I'm in here. Open the door.
Mom said the bus is late. How late? About 30 minutes. Great! I can finish breakfast. Harry! The bus is here!
Maybe it came early. Why is Issa running outside?
The bus came early. The bus is exactly on time. You lied to me!
It was just a joke.
I almost missed the bus. But you didn't.
Coach canceled practice today. Really? He didn't message us. He told me this morning. Then I'll go home early.
Why did Leo leave?
Soccer practice was canceled.
Harry, practice starts at 4.
You lied to Leo.
He'll figure it out.
Then tell him now.
Relax. It's not serious.
I'll message him myself.
Isa, don't. He brought everything for practice.
Done.
You ruin every good joke.
That wasn't a good joke. Oh no.
What happened here? Godzilla knocked over my juice. Godzilla was outside. He came inside before you. The door is still locked. Did Godzilla really do this?
Maybe I bumped the table. Maybe?
Fine. I bumped it.
Clean it up, please.
Why lie about something so small? It was easier, only for 5 seconds. Harry, don't!
I haven't done anything.
I know that face.
Dad, there's a snake!
Where?
Behind the toolbox. Nobody touch it.
You should see your faces.
This isn't funny, Harry.
Nobody got hurt.
We stopped everything for you.
I told you not to do it.
Everyone takes everything too seriously.
The problem isn't the snake. The problem is believing you.
Harry, keep the ball outside.
I will, Grandpa. Grandpa! Help! I'm stuck inside!
Harry? Where are you?
Got you, Grandpa!
Harry? I'm in here. Open the door.
The handle broke.
Please hurry! I'm stuck in here! The handle came off!
I'll be right back. Dad, Grandpa needs help.
Harry, what happened this time?
Grandpa is trapped in the shed.
Is this another joke?
No, the handle broke. Where did you get that? From the shed door.
Harry, yesterday you invented a snake.
I know, but I'm not lying. Dad, please. Harry, did you see Grandpa enter? Yes. Then the door slammed. And you heard him inside? Yes. Please come with me. I'm gonna check.
Issa, wait.
Grandpa, I'm back! Grandpa really is inside. I told everyone. Stay here. I'll get Dad. Dad, Harry told the truth.
Show me the door.
Stand away from the door, Miro.
I'm clear.
Are you all right?
I'm fine. Just annoyed.
Nobody believed me
Why didn't they believe you?
because I kept lying. Thanks for checking, Isa. I almost didn't. I wouldn't blame you. Grandpa, you forgot these.
Thank you, Harry. Harry? Are those really my gloves?
Yes.
Really?
I guess I earned that question. Is the bus late today? I don't know. You could invent an answer.
I could. But I'd rather tell the truth.
That part is definitely true. Come on, we're already late.